This is Mark Goings. I'm here with another demonstration, and I'm going to show how to connect a PLC to an Android phone. What I've got is a Modbus TCP, a Modbus RTU PLC hooked up to a computer with Modbus gateway running and a wireless router, and I have my Android phone. That screen's a little bright. So I'm going to start up MQModBus, which should be renamed to MQModBus. If you just read the documentation on the site, you'll see why. And there's the coils, the inputs, the registers, and how to write a value to the PLC. So we'll go back to coils. Well, I suppose it doesn't matter for now. We'll hit settings. Let's see, I've got my IP port and slave ID in there, and then the list of how many coils and registers we're going to be reading. And I can hit connect. I already have the settings in, so I will just hit connect right there. And we are now connected to the PLC, so I should be able to write a value. And if I write the address, is going to be address 100, value will be 1. We should see a light turn on back there. And I will now write a 0. I'll turn that off. And no, I didn't even look at the coil. So write that 100 again, go back to coils, and as you can see, showing us that our first output is on. So we'll turn that off. Now, that is just for debugging purposes when you're programming a PLC. I wrote another program. This one is called control. And basically you hard code your address information into your PLC. So I hit connect, or I'm sorry, your addressing information for the PLC is programmed into your actual software. You hit connect, and there we go. Light turns on. And let's turn this light off. That might make a little more sense. So now our phone turns into a remote control. Amazing.